Hello future engineers, here is another video in hydraulics, particularly on fluid pressure on plane surfaces or fluid force on plane surfaces. Now for effective preparation to your quiz or to your board exams, my suggestion is you just uh, pause the video until the complete statement of the problem and the figure are shown. Then you have to solve this by your own first. Compare your answers with the presented solutions here, presented answers here. So that's an effective way of preparing yourselves. Then do it especially for those who are bright ones, intelligent ones. Another suggestion is you have to mute the video and you just watch it without my explanations and narrations. And if you can follow the solutions and the presented solutions without hearing my explanations and the formulated equations, then that's another way, effective way of preparing yourselves for a quiz or for your board exams. Then the third suggestion is, although the first one is the most effective one, so the second is less effective. And the third one is I want you to fast forward the video until it's about to end. Then you just read silently the solutions presented. And if you can follow the solutions, then that's also good training and good preparation for you to prepare for your board exams. And for those who cannot follow my suggestions, then you know that you will have the less chance of passing your quiz or passing the board exams. So the first three suggestions are important for those who are above average students. So, okay, let me present the solution now. A vertical right angle plate ABC shown is in contact with a liquid of specific weight gamma on one side. Derive expressions for F, moment AB and moment AC. Indicate the direction or sense of each and principles and formulas in fluid mechanics. That means we have to apply the principles and formulas in fluid statics that I derive also. So here is the given figure. It's triangular plate, vertical triangular plate. The liquid surface is flush with this vertex, and we have here the corners, right angled plate. So of course this is the location of the centroid. This is the location of the center of pressure. The positive direction for X is here and Y direction is here. And this is based on the derived formulas in fluid statics. And for the derivation, you have to go to the principles and formulas derivations for fluid pressure on plane surfaces in fluid statics, which is found in this video, in this playlist, also in the playlist Fluid Mechanics and Hydraulics. So that's G, that's B over 3, and this distance is 2/3 of H. That's the centroidal axis. So 2/3 of H, B over 3. And for the horizontal and vertical distance between the centroid and the center of pressure, take note that the force acts at the center of pressure. So that would be EHP horizontally and vertically EVP. So we denote the specific weight of liquid gamma. So for F, it is gamma Hg times area. So Hg is 2/3 of H and area is 1/2 BH. So simplifying, that would be gamma BH squared over 3. That is F. Next, for the moment about AB, since F is pointing backwards, then when we curl it about this axis here, our uh, right thumb will be directed in that direction as we curl our four fingers about AB. So it is positive. It it is the same direction as this positive x direction. So it is positive and it is equal to f times this distance, and this distance is h over 3. This is h over 3 because that's 2/3 of h minus AVP. So moment AB is equal to uh, F times quantity h over 3 minus AVP. F is already there. Then EVP is the formula, general formula is IGX sine theta over area HG, but it can be reduced from the preceding slides and the derivation H of triangle square over 18 HG. So H triangle square over 18 HG. Substitute H square over 18 times 2/3 of H. It simplifies to H over 12. So substitute here, moment AB is equal to gamma BH square over 3 quantity H over 3 minus H over 12, and that is equal to gamma BH cube over 12, and it is directed in this direction. So that's positive. Next is moment about axis AC. So if we force is directed backwards, and if we curl our four fingers, the direction of moment about AC is in that direction, which is opposite to the positive direction, so it's negative. So moment AC is equal to negative of F. Quantity, moment arm would be this distance. So it is, if the center of pressure lies here, it is positive because this is the positive x direction, positive y direction. If E sub HP is negative, then it should lie here. So the moment arm would be B over 3 plus the absolute value of AHP. If it is negative, because this is the position of center of pressure if AHP is negative. So what's the formula for AHP? It is equal to IGXY over area HG, and IGXY in this case is because most area lies in the, imagine this is the centroid, and most area lies in this quadrant, which is second and fourth, so it is negative B square H square over 72. Then the area is equal to 1/2 BH. HG is 2/3 of H, and if you simplify that, that's equal to uh, negative B over 24. Because it is negative, this is the correct position of the center of pressure. Therefore, the moment arm of F would be b over 3 plus b over 24. So substitute MAC is equal to the negative of gamma BH square over 3, then quantity b over 3, then plus b over 24, and therefore it is negative gamma b square h square over 8. So making it positive, but the direction of our right thumb would be in the negative direction, which is upward in this case. So that's why MAC is gamma b square h square over 8. So another way is we draw a horizontal line through center of pressure. Because the pressure here is uniform, the center of pressure acts, the force acts at the center of pressure, and its distance from vertical line AC is half of L. Now to solve for L by similar triangles, it is L as to 2/3 of H plus EVP. So moment AC is negative F times L over 2, and L as to 2/3 of H plus EVP, which is H over 12, equals B as to H. So solving for L, L is equal to 3/4 of B. Substitute there, MAC is negative gamma B is H square over 3 times 1/2 of 3/4 of B. So cancel 3, and it is negative gamma b square h square over 8, indeed same as this, making it positive, and that's the sense. And to show it in 3D, so that you can visualize the direction of these moments as well as this, it is as shown. So this is the force. That distance is 3/8 of b. This distance is h over 4. H over 3 minus h over 12. That's h over 4. And the sense of moment would be as shown in the figure. And this one about the taxis. So that's it for this video.